We bought the DSS Pro about 5 years ago, and it's always nice to see a new installation. The question is, what happens after 5 years? Are they still working as expected or as promised? So far we had no issues. They performed as advertised and we are extremely happy with them. There is one change I made, and this is the covers. Some places it is illegal to drive around with the open off-road lights, but I put them on to protect them from bugs, rocks and anything else, to make sure that the lens is always clear. I built them myself, bending a piece of plastic, putting a Velcro on it, and they worked quite fine. The lens is protected. They are still clear, there is no rock hits, nothing in here. Also the frame itself is still in perfect condition. Welcome to our escapades. Ursula is the navigator, my name is Dieter, and I'm the wheelman. When we first installed the rigid DSS Pro in summer of 2018, we leveled the lights by daylight. We knew that they need readjusting. So one word of advice, have the hex key handy until you are happy with the adjustment. End of August in 2018, we went blueberry picking near Esker Lakes Provincial Park. The lights were pointing down and needed adjusting. We didn't have the hex key handy, but no big deal. We got enough light to pick blueberries for our breakfast. In July 2020, when we stayed at the Kapkiggewan Provincial Park, we planned a night cruise and drove with the lights on for an extended time. The eyes adjusted to the bright light. Turning them off takes time to see clear again, so not something you want to do facing traffic. End of September in 2023, we finally replaced the stock headlights with the KC Halogen Headlights. The original headlights lost their sparkle after 10 years and over 300,000 kilometers. The KC headlights were $260 from JustCheaps.com. We already bought the roof rack from Just Cheaps back in 2017. This is a very solid frame and platform. The rigid DSS Pro are mounted on the front frame and they stay on all year long. And now we compare the KC headlights and the rigid DSS Pro Spot. The first two videos are with the KC headlights from the dashcam and a camera on a tripod. The second two videos are with the rigid DSS Pro Spot from the dashcam and a camera on a tripod. In closing, we would buy the rigid DSS Pro lights again. We got the Spot version. The two other options are flood and drive pattern. Keep in mind that these lights are illegal on public roads and may need to be covered up. Another installation consideration is the location of the lights, either above or below eye level. We chose above eye level to reduce the shadows on the road and possibly get less glare on the hood. You may want to read other reviews about this topic. Driving on roads that are overgrown, the lights may blind you. It is difficult to see the ground in the glare. Same issue during a snowfall. the flakes are blinding. Same goes for dust and rain. Please hit the subscribe button and explore Canada with us. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you out there.